On top inside Edo today, retired teachers for Edo don salute Obaseki based on how their pension matter take waka sharp sharp. Teachers wey newly retire for Edo State Public Schools don salute Obaseki well well on top how their pension matter take waka enter Edo State Civil Service pension payroll sharp sharp. Dem do dis salute when dem carry solidarity visit come give Governor Godwin Obaseki for Government House of Benin City. Chairman of the teachers wey newly retire for Edo State, Comrade Iyalome Akagbeme, tok say after dem retire from Edo State Civil Service for 6th June 2019, the teachers come dey talk how body take sweet dem based on say dem put dem for pension payroll quick and dis one na the first time wey dis kind thing dey happen for the country.
The entire newly retired teachers of June 6, 2019 to come to Government House to appreciate you for what you have done. Although when people heard that teachers were retired based on the 60 years of age, some were taken aback that why so soon. But lo and behold, you have a plan for your workers. And what happened? You told the workers, worry not, the retirement is for your own good. And I remember when the union came here, the NSC, to meet over this issue, you told them you will not allow your workers to suffer. Even because of their stipend, as their name is leaving the payroll of civil servants who are working, it immediately goes into the pension roll. And this next month, they will receive their salary. We're not surprised because you are talk and true. That's why I was not surprised. That of a truth, the following month, the names of all the pensioners appears in the pension roll and they all receive their alerts. The entire teachers who were retired in 2019 deemed it necessary that we should come to appreciate you because what you did has never happened in the history of Edo State, not to talk of even the whole Nigeria as a whole. Is it the welfare of the teachers? You are there. Is it? Look at what is happening in Edo West. One of its kind in the whole country. And no wonder the National Union of Teachers deemed it necessary that you deserve an award as the best. And it's our prayers that the Lord will lift you high and give you more grace to continue. Amen. And by the grace of God, call us any day, any time we are behind you.
Governor Godwin Obaseki come talk say belle sweet am to host these newly retired teachers dem and say Edo State government dey follow law na make wey dem retire the teachers on the 6th of June 2019 and to put them for pension payroll and pension payment na their right. Obaseki talk say when he enter office for 2016, he meet 18 billion pension when dem never pay, but thank God say now dem no dey owe any debt again.
If I am not remembered for anything else as a governor, I want to be remembered as that governor who reenacted education in Edo State. The greatest asset which God gave to mankind is the human being, the human capacity. So if you train the human being, you educate the human mind, there is nothing it cannot do. It will build bridges, it will build roads, it will take man to space. It is education first, and everything else follows. So for us, there was no confusion that as government, our first priority is to educate our people. And you do not start building a house from the top, you start building it from the foundation. As a government, we got our priorities very, very clear. And you cannot train the people, you cannot educate a generation without taking care of the teachers. If the teacher is not in class, the child cannot learn. Because what we have achieved in the last 15 or 18 months in Edo Best, which is now acknowledged globally, would not have been possible but for you. Unfortunately, we had to make the decision we had to make, which was to follow the law that you have to retire either after 35 years of service or 60 years of age, whichever comes first. That the honor that is being bestowed on me by teachers is not mine. I could not have been able to earn that honor if not for you. If the teachers had not trusted, had not cooperated, had not supported us in this implementation, because we took what we did with Edo Best, most people say in governance terms, in political terms, was a great risk. Trying to change a whole system so rapidly, and that you trusted us and allowed us to carry out this experiment, I will say that the gratitude is from us to you.
Now here we see the updates reach on top waiting shele for inside Edo today. On top say the teachers wey newly retire for Edo State don salute Governor Godwin Obaseki on top their pension matter. Make una know say this ogbonge update wey dey waka come meet una so na T Live Media and I'm carry am come give una. Make una no forget to subscribe, like and even comment for our videos for our YouTube channel on top T Live Media TV, and for Facebook you fit like and follow our page for T Live Media.